We have some more news coming in. Pakistan's global isolation now continues. There's some more news coming in where Afghanistan has now written to the United Nations. We have with us Srinjoy Chaudhary, National Affairs Editor of Times Now, with more details. Srinjoy, over to you.
No.
All right, so before we will connect with Srinjoy in a bit from now, but we have news coming in that more support is now pouring in for India now, this time around the latest from Afghan, where they have now written to the United Nations in support of India. Srinjoy is back with us. Yes, Srinjoy.
Yeah, this is the important moment when the world realizes it's not just India which is being troubled by Pakistan. It's the whole world, of course, but at the end of the day, the Afghans, as you can see from this letter very, very clearly, how troubled they are by Pakistani shelling, Pakistani military interference within Afghanistan. And the story this letter tells you is truly appalling. In this page, it says very clearly that there have been 28,849 artillery shells fired into Afghanistan by Pakistan between 2012 and 2017, killing 82 people. And since the 1st of January 2018, there have been 161 violations and 6,000 shells have been fired at Afghanistan. Now, what are we talking about? 28 and 6 is 35,000 shells being fired into by Pakistan into Afghanistan, killing over 200 people, perhaps. Now, the important point is that you can't fire 30,000 shells by mistake. It has to be a deliberate part of a deliberate plan. And what Pakistan has done is again do what it has been trying to do in India. Cross-border violations again and again and again. And it's not only that. They have constructed military posts in Afghan territory. So there is an enormous problem here.
So more support coming in and pouring in from global leaders and from the international community. Thank you so much, Srinjoy, for joining us with those details.